Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. దాంతో నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చేసే ఒక్క లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ నాకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ లోని మరికొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దట్ గెట్స్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ టు ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ ఈజ్ డాష్. ఏ ప్లెయిన్ టెక్స్ట్, ఆప్షన్ బి parallel text, option C encrypted text, option D decrypted text. Answer వచ్చేసి option A plain text. Second bit, coded division multiple access differ from time division multiple access because there is no option A bandwidth, option B time sharing, option C link, option D carrier. Answer వచ్చేసి option B time sharing. Third bit, in carrier sense multiple access possibilities of collision still exist because of option A propagation delay, option B sender receiver delay, option C sense delay, option D transmit delay. Answer వచ్చేసి option A propagation delay. Fourth bit, protocol that is used to transmit data without any scheduled time is dash. Option A random access, option B controlled access, option C channelization, option D none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option A random access. Fifth bit, carrier sends multiple access is based on media called dash. Option A listen before talk, option B listen before sending, option C sense before transmit, option D sense before collision. Option C sense before transmit. Sixth bit, transmission media are directly controlled by the dash. Option A data link layer, option B network layer, option C physical layer, option D session layer. Answer వచ్చేసి option C physical layer. Seventh bit, ray of light reflects. Friends, అక్కడ స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్, అక్కడ రిఫ్లెక్ట్స్ కాదు. Ray of light reflects and move closer to surface, then angle of incidence is dash. Option A equal to the critical angle, option B less than the critical angle, option C not equal to the critical angle, option D greater than the critical angle. Answer వచ్చేసి option B less than the critical angle. Eighth bit, guided media provides a conduct from one device to another, includes dash. Option A twisted pair cable, option B fiber optic cable, option C coaxial cable, option D all the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option D all the above. Ninth bit, network layer firewall works as a dash. Option A frame filter, option B packet filter, option C both A and B, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option B packet filter. 10th bit, network layer firewall has two subcategories as dash. Option A stateful firewall and stateless firewall, option B bit oriented firewall and byte oriented firewall, option C frame firewall and packet firewall, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option A stateful firewall and stateless firewall. 7th bit, a firewall is installed at a point where the secure internal network and untrusted external network meets which is also known as dash. Option A, choke point. Option B, meeting point. Option C, firewall point. Option D, secure point. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, choke point. 12th bit. Which of the following are the types of firewalls? Option A, packet filtering firewall. Option B, dual homed gateway firewall. Option C, screen host firewall. Option D, all the above. Answer వచ్చేసి packet filtering firewall. 13th bit. What is one advantage of setting up a DMZ with two firewalls? Option A, you can control where traffic goes in 3 networks. Option B, you can do load balance. Option C, you can do stateful packet filtering. Option D, improving network performance. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, you can do load balancing. 14th bit. A stateful firewall maintains a dash, which is a list of active connections. Option A, routine table. Option B, bridging table. Option C, state table. Option D, connection table. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, routine table. If 15th bit, if a computer in a network access resources that are shared by other computer, it is called a dash. Option A, server. Option B, client. Option C, receiver. Option D, sender. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, client. 16th bit. If a computer in a network shares resources which can be accessed by other computers, it is called a dash. Option A, client. Option B, server. Option C, sender. Option D, receiver. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, server. 17th bit. Computer which is powerful with faster processor, more memory and disk space in a computer network is called option A, client. Option B, server. Option C, sender. Option D, receiver. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, server. 18th bit. In a computer networking, computer usually play roles which are dash. Option A, 1 or 2. Option B, 2 or 3. Option C, 3 or 4. Option D, 4 or 5. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, 3 or 4. 19th bit. The network layer constrains with option A, bits. Option B, packets. Option C, frames. Option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, packets. 20th bit. The 4 bytes IP address consists of dash. Option A, network address. Option B, host address. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, both A and B, network address and host address. Thanks for watching.